Hey guys, my name's Nick and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of my room slash office space. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. This is what I looked like back when I did my previous one. I know it's not really the type of content I do on my channel, but I just wanted to get a video out and I wanted to show how I do everything. So before we start, so if you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe for tutorials on video editing and photo editing, and also a new series I'm starting called A New Chapter. I'm not going to go on talking about that as I say about it in every video, but I am starting it. So let's get into the room tour. This is my main desk where I do all of my work. I have a 2018 model MacBook Pro as I find it very versatile for editing. It's also small, so I can take it with me when I travel. I also have an Echo Dot. This is really useful for me as it controls my lights, gives me weather information, plays music, etc. For audio such as you're hearing right now, I use a Blue Snowball microphone. This is a little chest of drawers on which I keep my camera, electric razor, my camera batteries. I really need to replace those number tags. Down here's some plugs, interesting. Yeah, and I play guitar. Here's a Bible and the Fellowship of the Ring that I'm rereading. This is an alien looking mini fridge, it's kinda cool. Here's a shelf with some equipment like smoke grenades and tripods, some lenses and lens attachments. This is another little table with glasses, iPods and my wallet. I keep magazines and books under here, headphones and my wardrobe. Thank you for watching guys, I really appreciate it. If you'd leave a like down below, that would mean the world to me. Also, if you're new, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and I've said this a lot of times. If you'd hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on to be notified whenever I upload a new video, it would mean a tremendous amount to me. Also, if there's any tutorial ideas you have for my channel or any subject ideas you have for the new podcast, then please leave them down in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.